Hello YouTube, hello guys, welcome to another exciting day. Welcome to my channel, welcome to YJ Digital World. I remain your host, Abu Joseph. So guys, on today's video, I'll be sharing a tool that can help you up your game in graphic design. Be you an expert, be you a beginner in graphic design to be precise. Okay, so basically this tool can be likened to other tools such as Photoshop, Illustrator, Canva, Pixel app, and the rest of them. Okay, but these two actually work on your web browser. Okay, it's not like an application you do download and install on your PC or your mobile device. Okay, but it only work on the web to be precise. I can liken this to a lighter version or a mini version of Photoshop. Okay, so without further ado, let me show you this website. So over here I have my browser. All I have to do is to paste in the keywords to the website, which is Photopea. Okay, and this is a search result, and over here all I have to do is to click on this photopea.com link over here. So guys, here is the dashboard of photopea.com, and I said earlier this is likened to be a mini version of Photoshop to be precise. Okay, over here it has the same features as Photoshop on the menu. Okay, and over here it has an interface where you can create a new project. You can open a project from your PC, from your tab, from your phones as well. You can open an image. Okay, you can also work on other resources that has to do with PSD, that is Photoshop, Illustrator, Figma, PDFs, and other resources as well. Basically, in order for you to create a project using this, all you have to do is to click on this new project. Okay, and this also looks like that of Photoshop to be precise, the new project panel. Okay, so you can come over here and give your project a name, which is design. Okay, you can set your unit of measurement in pixels or whatever unit you want. You can give the dimensions to be precise. You can flip the dimensions as well. You can set the DPI. You can also set the background fill to any fill of your choice. And over here you have different sizes for different items. Okay, here I have different mobile screens, photos, prints, and the rest of them have different sizes. So you can select any one of them and work with them. So I'll be setting this as this, and I'll click on the create button. So over here we have the Canva workspace of the photopea.com. Okay, this is an online tool that helps you in creating your design whenever you're not with your PC or your PC is actually having an issue. You can fall back to this and it will come in handy as well. So over here it has the same features as Photoshop in the menu, the same kind of tools over here as well. Likewise, okay, the toolbars are same, menu the same. We have the different adjustments over here. We have same different kind of blending modes as well over here. We have channels, we have the text too, and the rest of them. I think this is actually nice. Okay, let's try creating something with this. So I'll come over here, pick this. Okay, you can see the keyboard shortcuts. It's also likened to that of Photoshop by pressing U on your keyboard. Okay, you can left click, hold shift to create a perfect square. Okay, it also works that way. So you can release your hand from the shift, it will look like this. If you hold shift, it will look like this. Okay, so I think this is okay like this. I can also change the fill by changing its color over here as well. Okay, you can see if I click on this, I can change it to a color of my choice. I think this is okay. I can add strokes, increase the size of stroke if I want. That is in terms of that. Okay, if you are done, you can also place images. So you can come on your PC and drag in an image and place it into this. I think this is okay. Click on the check. If you are done, you can also click mark this. Let me see, right click on clip marks. I think this is actually working. Let me play with the blending mode and see what happens. Okay, this is actually working as well on the blending mode as well. Let me play with the opacity. You see, it's also working on the opacity and the fill as well. So I can set this to the way I want it. Okay, I can also come over here and play with this to be precise. That is the create adjustments, and it also have similar adjustment like Photoshop, but I noticed I can't find the selective color tool over here, have the levels and the rest of them. I think this is actually rich enough. Okay, you can create a new layer, you can create a group, you can delete, you can add a vector mask. Let me add a vector mask to this, add a mask layer, pick my brush. Where is the brush? Let me press B on the keyboard. Okay, I press B, it picks the brush as well. You can scale up the size of your brush using the open and close bracket key on your keyboard beside the P button to be precise, beside the P button. Or you can also scale up the hardness and the size of your brush using this. Okay, so I can come over here, right click as well, select any type of brush, hard, soft, and the rest of them. Let me see whether I can adjust. Wow, I can also do this with this too. Okay, this is actually indeed a mini version of Photoshop. Okay, the foreground is set on black and this is selected, the marks. Let me brush and see what happens. This is hard brush. Okay, Ctrl Z. Oh, wow, it also works. Right click, let me select the soft round brush, scale up the size as well. For this, let me brush and see. Wow, it actually works perfectly well. Okay, that is in terms of all these. Okay, the blending mode as well. Let me try some other features on the filter. Wow, we have other features over here. Likewise, the way we have the filter, I think some are here, some are not here as well. We have this add noise, blur, and the rest of them. Let me try the regression blur and say, wow, this is actually good, guys. So you can also try this for your next project as well. Okay, what else should we try? Okay, let me try typing with a text tool. So I pick the text tool, let me click. Okay, let me try typing. Wow, okay, the text is actually appearing. Okay, here I have this text or character panel to be precise. Let me play with the tracking. Wow, it's actually working perfectly well. And scale up the size and the rest of them. You can also change the fill color to, let me see, green, and let me see what happens. Okay, this is actually okay. Let me see the windows. Okay, also have some features like the way the Photoshop has some features as well. I think this is actually okay like this as well. So that is in terms of this. Okay, you can also change your font from here as well, or using the character panel as well. You can also do that. What else again? What else should I try? Okay, let me try exporting or saving rather. Let me try saving this image, this project rather. I can save, okay, as PSD, and I think it will download into my PC. Wow, you can see this has downloaded into my PC just now. Okay, you can save it as PSD. You can also save it to other storage in the cloud. Okay, let me export. I can also export as this different formats. Okay, let me export and see. Wow, this is actually okay. These are the dimensions of this image to be precise. This is the name, this is the format, the size and width, the opacity, the quality, and the rest of them. You can click on save. I think it has downloaded as well. So this is actually handy, guys. So you can also try this in your next project. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of today's tutorial video. If you find this video helpful in one way or the other, do well to give this video a like. Do well to smash the like button right now, guys. If you are new to the channel and you're yet to subscribe, do well to smash the subscribe button. Do well to smash the subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell to get notification whenever I upload new content, guys. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always watching, guys. Please, you can leave your comments, your questions in the comment section, and see you in the next.